Practicing your ups and downs? You're so good at going up and down. Yes, you are. What you finding there? You finding interesting stuff? Oh, it's a thing you can try to climb. Ooh, we found a little wiffle ball. Yeah. That's fun. I didn't know that was in there. Good job. Yeah, it's your big sister's shoe. I wouldn't stick your nose too close to that one. But maybe you don't mind. That's a good little brother. Want to see what happens when we put the ball up the stairs? Here, let me show you something. Moss, watch this. See the ball? See the ball? Oh, I'm going to throw it up the stairs. Watch. Whoop, it didn't come down. Let's see what happens when it comes down. Yeah. A little sketchy to try to climb with it. There you go. Yeah, see it falls down the stairs. And then you can go down after it. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. You like the ball? Did a good ball? Should we throw it upstairs again? Want to let me have it? Oh, nope. Not used to that yet. Can I do something with the ball? Oh, you're going to do something with the ball. Okay. Can I have it? Want to let me try something with the ball? Or you still want it? Okay, you still got it. Oh, there goes the ball. don't think anybody's awake yet, but hang on, the door's open. That's kind of wacky. Huh. I don't know what that means. Probably just an